Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to fix if your Instagram user is not found. So there are two different things that you might be wondering. One is that you've temporarily disabled your account and then you want to come back and it says user not found. And then another one is you're just on Instagram and you're trying to find somebody and it says user not found. So first, we'll cover the second one. If you go into your search and you're searching for somebody, and it says that that user is not found, pretty much in most cases, what that means is that that user has either disabled their accounts or blocked you from their account. So probably, most likely that user doesn't exist anymore. Or make sure you're typing it in exactly as it is. So if you're typing in the username exactly as their actual username is, make sure you have everything right so that you can make sure you get to their account. And that's an important thing. Potentially you might have blocked the person, and if so, you can go to your little profile icon on the bottom right, and then the three lines on the top right, and then into settings here. And then you can see privacy here, and you can go there and you can see towards the bottom, you can see blocked accounts, and you can see everybody that you've blocked. And you can see on here everybody that you blocked, and potentially you're seeing user not found because you blocked them. So you can go in here and make sure that they're make sure that they're not blocked, and if they are, you can unblock them. So another thing too is that if you find that you've temporarily disabled your account and then you want to go back and log in, but it says user not found, try to log in with your phone number and your email address. If it still says user is not found, then unfortunately the most likely reason is that Instagram has deleted that username associated with your account. And probably then you would have to basically set up a brand new Instagram user account. So if it says user not found when you're trying to log in, and again you try your email and your phone number and whatnot, and it still doesn't work, then at that point you probably have to just create a new account. Unfortunately, kind of sucks, but not much to do there. Anyway, hope this video was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to like this video. Thanks.